Hey guys, so I found the solution on how we can reset the beurer blood pressure monitor. To do it is super simple. All you have to do is to clear the selected user memory, press and hold the set button until device beeps 3 times. Then all data in the selected user memory will be deleted. So to clear the selected user memory, press and hold the set button until device beeps 3 times, and then all the data in the selected user memory will be deleted. And this is how you're gonna do it. It's super simple. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you. And have a great day and goodbye.